Hi, in front of me is CUBOT X30 and today I would like to show you how you can customize your keyboard theme. Firstly, go into Settings. Now scroll down and choose System. Then Language as an input, Virtual Keyboard and keyboard that you're using, in my case Gboard. Pick Theme and tap on the plus sign under My Themes. Select a photo and tap on it. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're done, click Next. Adjust brightness and tap Done. Lastly, Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!